5:30 tonight to that major moment in the Bardstown Crystal Rogers case. It's coming tomorrow, the final sentencing for ex-boyfriend Brooks Houck and convicted accomplice Joseph Lawson.
Alexandra Goldberg joins us live now in the studio with a look at what to expect. Alexandra?
Yeah, tomorrow's the culmination of a 10-year-long investigation and a 9-day-long criminal trial. Now it's up to Judge Charles Sims to decide if he'll take the jury's sentencing recommendations, which is life for Houck and 25 years for Lawson.
Look at Crystal's family, look at her kids, look at Sherry. Don't you think they need to know where their mother's buried?
You had the chance to do the right thing, and you could have spoke up. You could have told the truth.
The high emotion seen during the sentencing for Steve Lawson will return to the Nelson County courtroom Wednesday for the final sentencing of two men convicted in the murder of Crystal Rogers. A jury recommended Brooks Houck serve the maximum penalty, life in prison for his murder conviction. The jury also recommended Joseph Lawson be sentenced to 25 years in prison for conspiracy to commit murder and tampering with physical evidence. Crystal Rogers' family is expected to give victim impact statements. For accomplice Steve Lawson's sentencing in August, family pleaded with the judge for the harshest punishment. Crystal's uncle, Mike Ballard, spoke directly to Lawson.
I could stand up here and go on and on about what a worthless, despicable, pitiful, thoughtless, gutless person you are, but I really don't have to say what everyone already knows.
But first, the judge will take up any motions. Lawson's attorney said they filed a motion to set aside his guilty verdict or grant him a new trial, citing several arguments. One of them, Lawson should have been tried separately from Houck.
Whenever you're joined with another defendant, there is risk of loss of control over the narrative and over the defense.
Prosecutors responded saying the decision to try the two men together was fair. They also responded to a request from Houck for a new trial, arguing he did receive a fair trial. Wednesday, the Ballard family will lay eyes on the two men once more before they receive their sentence.
Well, Alexandra, you sort of hinted it in your piece. It's why we expect this case to be with us for quite some time. Where do things stand on appeal, specifically any motions to appeal the verdict?
Yeah, the short answer is not yet, but you bring up a good point. It's very common in these criminal cases for defendants to come at any angle to try to get that verdict dropped, and it's in their right to do just that. I spoke to Robert Boyd this morning, who is the counsel for Joseph Lawson, and he said that if his motion is denied, if the sentence is heard, then he will immediately file a formal appeal. And he says that that would potentially go straight to the Kentucky Supreme Court. He left me with a quote that I want to share with you. He said, in his own words, "It's the end of a chapter, but the book is still writing itself."
Okay, thank you. Sentencing begins at 2:30. We'll be monitoring the courtroom there and wait for the judge's final decision there, whether they follow the jury's recommendation. WHAS 11 News has team coverage for you right here tomorrow. And don't forget our special report. It's coming along tomorrow night. The Crystal Rogers murder, the final sentencing. Join me along with WHAS 11 News legal analyst Nick Mudd and Alexandra. We'll be here at 9 p.m. on the free WHAS 11 Plus app. Go ahead and download it on your TV and watch for free.